Welcome everybody, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'm going to show a simple way how you can delete a message in Skype. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is just be in Skype, and when you're going to be here, I got this message that I wrote, right? And what you want to do is just click on the three dots here on the message and click remove. Are you sure you want to remove this message? Yes, remove. And this is how you can simply remove the message on Skype. Again, you come here, three dots, and remove. So thank you very much. If you have any questions, guys, ask me down in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, you can support and subscribe, and if this video was helpful, you can also write in the comments that this video was helpful. So goodbye.